Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a lash room tour of this room I've been working on for a couple months that I painted myself and did myself after spending a lot of money. But I didn't want to pay someone else to do it, so first I'm going to show you guys the before and after because it's actually crazy, so you can see how far it came. So this is probably hard to believe, but this is how it looked before. Here's the video I took. It's pretty crazy. Oh, whoops, I thought that was the video. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, here's the video. So that's what it looked like before. And there's when I started to paint over it, the process. Recording myself for some content. And then the after. Can't really see, but I'm going to show you guys. Okay, so this is the room now. I do have to change the blinds though because they're really old and gross and probably stained over the years from this used to be a smoke room actually. But anyways, this is it now. So when you walk in, there's the door and it has the Hello Kitty mat. So I usually just ask people to take their shoes off right here. I'm gonna get a shoe rack to put down there soon, or right here or something. This is it for now. And I have this. It's really dirty. I have to wash it. But it says you're like really pretty, like for Mean Girls or whatever, which I thought was really cute. But I do need to get an outside mat, and then I might move that one in here and then use this one as like a shoe rack mat type thing. But anyways, that's what it looks like when you walk in. And then the walls, all cute. This is my lash bed. I am gonna get a pink blanket though because this is like ruining the pink vibe. But I just have this mattress underneath, and it's like with the double match foam mattress for extra comfort. And this is the kind of lash bed I use. It's called Master. This is oh yeah. So this bed is actually worth like $500 or more, and I got it on Facebook Marketplace for only $180, which is like a steal. So that was a really good find, and it's really good quality. My old lash bed literally got bit up by my dog because he's a little shit and he was a puppy, and he bit it right to the screw, so it wasn't safe anymore to use it. So, and then I have this leg pillow right here. So, because I know when you sit flat for a long time, because I'm a beginner lash tech, so I'm like lashing for so long that it can get kind of uncomfortable. So I got this for extra comfort. Haven't let anyone use it yet because I just got it yesterday. But I'm lashing my sister tonight, so we'll try it out. And I just have Scentsy down there, and here's my plug-in. And so if it starts to smell not super good, I'll just plug that in for a few minutes, but it can get really strong, so I don't keep it in for too long. And this is my lash light. It's so cute, pink. I got it from Amazon. It reminds me of the Cosmo Glow one, but it's like a dupe. This was only like $180, I believe, and I think the Cosmo one is like $500 or something. And it's cool because you can change it if you want like the white light or the yellow. I usually use the yellow unless I'm lashing someone, because I find that this one, like, I don't know, for some reason this one seems to hurt their eyes more. But and this is my tray, which I also got from Amazon. It's just like a black tray, and I put a dental bib on top, and I'm just kind of set up for my sister later, and we're going to add a couple blue lashes on the ends as well, and the glue. And then I usually tell her to wash her lashes before we do it, because she does have a lash bath from me. So I just do that first, so I don't have to take the time to do that myself. But with new clients, I usually just do it before the set because I would never not wash a set. And I can't believe some people actually charge their clients for a lash bath. Like, I feel like that's like a need. Also, these lifesaver if you have bad eyes. If I was literally ready to give up on lashing, and then found these from a girl on TikTok, and oh my god, like, so glad I found those. So now it's so much easier. And then this is a set that I did last night. It's just a really short cat eye with some pink, which is really cute. So this is where I practice. And then my saddle chair. And then I have this actually from Shein. I need to still organize and put some more, but this is the D-curl section. It's the most popular. I just did a set like a couple days ago using that. Then here's my lash cart. So I just have like that stuff, the brushes, glue, all the stuff you need. These are my favorite tweezers, so I have a bunch. They're by, I think it's called Sitting Pretty Beauty or something like that. These are the best tweezers ever. Can't really see very well, but. And then my fan, the humidifier, practice stuff, some classic lashes, a thing for your forehead, but I don't really like that one from Shein because there's like brown fuzzies. So what I do is I just tape a piece of paper towel to their forehead so I don't have to like sweat on them. And then like a manual for my course, and the antibacterial spray, or what is it called? Or the disinfecting spray, sorry. And then I have a humidifier, air purifier, a heater because it's really cold down here, so I always have to have this on like half an hour before someone comes. And then I have here with my lash bath kit. I actually have to make some more. I'm just waiting for my other bags to deliver because it's literally my last one. And it comes with like shampoo, brush, water bottle, fan, and like some other stuff. Then I have this for my glue rings with water so it doesn't, because if you just throw it in the garbage it can be like a fire hazard, so I just put it in here with water and then throw it out. And I have some candies for clients, business cards, so they know I have business cards, which I keep in there. And then I just have like curl maids, which I don't use anymore. I did when I first started, but I just use them to practice now, like for placement practicing. And then I have extra stuff down here, like I have to recharge this because it's dead. Book or a journal thing, planner. And then some lashes I don't use anymore. I don't even know why it's in here. I'm probably gonna sell it. And I got some cute cases that I won from a giveaway that I don't really use, but if I travel I'll probably use them. And then up here we got some snacks for clients. So far I have juice, cookies for now, but I'm gonna get some more snacks because that's not really the healthiest. Some napkins in case someone's nose is running or like just while they're eating snacks. I got some shampoo just to show up here. Cleaning stuff, or usually where I keep my water. Lashes, this is like mostly classics in like 0.5. And here is my main lashes that I love. The eyes is like literally my favorite. I have 100 coming. And I keep my D curls on this side, C curls on this side, and then color lashes. These I do not like. They're cute and all, but why is it not focusing? But whenever I use these lashes, okay, it's not focusing. But every time I use these lashes, after my client like washes their lashes a couple times, it's just gone and it's black again. So it's like useless. I feel like the plain colored ones like that are way more better to use and last longer. And then here I just have like extra stuff, kind of like my business cards. I make them on Canva, by the way. And then here I have like extra candies because it was like already so much in there. And then here I have like my lash bath stuff, so it's a little bit messy right now. Oh yeah, and then this says a name because it's on my clients, so that I could reuse that one on here. And this one's just new. It's a little bit messy in here, but yeah. Here I have just extra glue rings, glue, a popper thingy in case the glue gets jammed, glue tips in case it gets jammed, and then also this to take it off, the glue tips, and then here I have ready-made lash bath kits, and then also like the extra stuff. I have the smaller kits here, and like some extra shampoo that I wanted to give away, I don't know. And then here I have mostly like practice stuff and like extra tweezers, and this is the magnifying glasses. They have different strengths. And then my cash organizer, pens, planner, this is tape. Yeah, some extra tape. I like this kind of tape for taping the lashes because it doesn't stick to the lashes, and then I like the Next Care glue tape like for the bottom lashes. And then here I have dental bibs, extra dental bibs, extra, it's mostly like extra stuff, like water bottles, paper. And then here I just have my dental bibs. This is where I go first to get dental bibs, cleansing wipes, and then I have bed covers so that every time someone goes on, it's a new sheet. And then here I have a practice set I don't use anymore because it's really hard for me to use these kinds, in my opinion. And I have some kits that I wanted to give away, like brow lamination, lash lift kind of stuff, waxing stuff, and then lash shampoo, random light, I don't know if I'm gonna use it. And then I have fans to put in my kits. They're like the handheld chargeable ones, which is nice. And I have my big pink rug that I love. And I have my certificates here for now because I have to get a case for it to put it up. Sorry, my camera's like unfocusing. So I just have it here for now. I have my classic, hybrid, and volume certificate, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put it right here above the lash cart, or maybe here, but I think I'm gonna put art here instead. So yeah, that's the Lash tour. Sorry if I was all over the place. I feel like I talk too fast sometimes in these videos. But this is my room. It's really cute, and I think it'll look so much better too when I have a pink blanket there too. Then it'll be like perfect pink vibe. And that fan needs to go. I want to get a new fan, like a white one or black or something. But yeah, this will do for now. So this is my room. And in the summertime when these windows are up, it looks so pretty with like the grass outside and the sun. Yeah, I love this vibe, the pink vibe. And the transformation was like so crazy. Yeah. So that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. I'm so happy that I finally did this for myself. I feel like life is getting so much better. Like I'm working on my goals and getting stuff done. And I did this all by myself, and I'm so proud of myself because, like, I don't know, I never knew I would be here a year ago. So just so glad my life's getting better. Anyways, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little tour video, transformation. More videos to come. I might make some lash videos in the future because I did order a clip-on holder thing for my phone so I can film while I'm lashing. So I might do that. But I mostly want to do like other kind of videos on this channel, but I might do that if I actually make some good content with it. So yeah. So thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye guys.